Now let us. This is from the Phisung store, and this is our the dash cam T1. Now let us show you how to connect the rear camera and its cable and the power cable and the dash cam. This is the rear camera. This is the rear camera. This is the one the rear. This is the rear camera cable. This one is the power cable. Now let us please pay attention. This one connect it, and this one connect this one, and this end connected to the dash cam. Okay, now the connection is done, and you can see. All right, let us